Yep, got it pressurized with nitrogen. It just hit 100 psi. So now I'm gonna use these bubbles and basically check for leaks.
Wow.
Yep.
Well, it's sure nice to have somebody that knows what the hell he's doing.
Well, I appreciate that. I try to be the best. You know, it's like if you're gonna do something, you might as well do it right.
Yep, that's right.
Do it the best you can.
It leaves your customers with the idea that the damn thing's gonna work.
Right. Oh yeah, especially for that much, for sure.
Yep. You guys must do a hell of a business down there.
Oh yeah. Well, right now you're looking good. I don't see any leaks, so that definitely saves us some time there. Cause you know, when you have leaks, then you gotta
go find them.
break the. Well, I'm fine. They're right in front of me. If they were any, it's just I would have to break the torch back out, and
Yeah. Yep.
so that's definitely
That's great.
great news there. Well, don't be startled. You're gonna hear some nitrogen getting released.
Not a problem.
Okay.
I'll get out of your way here.
Oh, you're good. I was just letting you know. That's just nitrogen.
Yep.
Lost the cap here the other day. Okay, I'll be back.